Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick card. For my quick card today, we're using the Zoo Crew DSP. This is a wonderful set of DSPs, and at the moment, this month in June, we've got 15% off various DSP packs, including this one. Now, it works especially well with the bundle, the stamp set and dies that match this, the Zany Zoo. But I'm actually not going to use the dies today. I'm going to use punches for a quick card. And I'm going to use two different ones. I'm actually using the 2 3/8 inch circle. This is from the Circle Sayings bundle that I use very frequently these days. And I'm also using the double oval punch. Again, this is something that I use frequently. And I'm using both of these together, but you could just use one. What I would suggest is that if you're just using one, you may then need to either double punch to create a frame around the back or do a bit of fussy cutting. I'm just going to show you a few ideas of how you can do this, and then we'll actually create one of these. And I just need to make sure that I've got everything around me. Now, this is something that you can do with so many of these little animals. And this piece here, you can see, is actually the back of one of these. So I'm using Lemon Lolly for the card base. And this is the Zoo Crew DSP here. Let me just bring in the catalogue to show you. Let's grab this. This is one of our suites. So it's listed here at the beginning, 46 to 47. And here we go. So you get a lot of different animals, a real lot of different animals in this Zoo Crew DSP. You get these ones that are in the stamp set that can be die cut out, but you're getting a whole load of other ones that we don't have dies for, but we can still work with these. Now, there's a few different things that you could do. Depending on which punch or punches you've got, you can just punch out some of these animals just on their own. And if you get that just right, you can just get the whole of that lion at a campfire in. So you could just use the large one. I'm using the smaller one today. And what I've done is I've just punched out of some scrap the double oval, because this can give you a guide, and you can do the same thing with the large circle as well. What you can then do is pop that over to see how it's going to punch out. So you can see that I'm going to chop off part of this little, I'm going to say ferret, it might not be a ferret, but you can just chop off part of the tail. So I change that and use the scalloped oval, and I can see that I can get all of that in there. And similarly, if I'm wanting to check which of the animals I could punch with this, again, I'd be cutting off part of the tail. But you know what? You could include just the little mole, whatever it is, and the butterflies in there. So you could just get away with just using this oval, but I do think it's a little bit tricky. The animals aren't quite small enough. This would give you a little bit of the net as well, which would give a bit of context. Or you could, let me find, you'd still be chopping off part of the tail with that one. That one you can see you'd have to again chop off the tail, but you get the idea. These would give you a frame for you to work out where you're going to punch. So from, like I say, my quick card today, I'm going to punch out this little ferrety type animal, and I'm just trying to get it so that I've got the, I'm trying to make sure that I don't get these antlers in. It's up to you. You don't have to be that precise, but it's just one of those things that I'm trying to figure out a way to get this and not chop off the tail or the ears, but get everything in that I'm wanting. So that's that one. And then I'm going to actually just punch a plain circle from black card. And that's what I love about this set as well, because it works so well with black and white. And let me see, I want a white oval, plain oval. And then I'm also going to grab a scalloped oval out of basic black. So like I say, you can use black and white and then just add a pop of colour. And I picked the lemon lolly because that's the skirt there. So what I'm going to do is layer these up, and you can see what a difference having some sort of frame around that makes, so that it's not such a busy, it is a very busy background, so you want something to set it apart. And I'm going to just grab the happy birthday to you and stamp this onto this white oval here. So depending on what punches you've got, you could punch out various different animals. Obviously, if you've got dies, then you're onto an even bigger winner. You've got a lot more choice. But for a beginner stamper and for quick crafting, I love the punches for quick crafting. So I'm going to pop, actually, let me work this out. Now I'm actually going to use dimensionals. I don't usually use quite so many dimensionals, and there we are. But I am. Let me move these out of the way. We'll pop this on here, and as you can see we've got lots of different colours, and the lovely bright colours as well that are in the pattern. Just a little bit. You don't need a heck of a lot, and with the black and white they really look fabulous. So like I say, 15% off this month, so I think it's a great time to stock up. So I'm now going to pop my little dancer up on the circle. So I just want to make sure that that's fairly even side to side. I'm not even worrying too much about it. And some more dimensionals, and one in the centre. And then this will go on the card front. So let's get that. And I'm going to be using this Zoo Crew DSP for a couple of the cards on Wednesday in my online workshop, so please do join me for that. There will be a replay, and I'll try and post that onto my blog site on Thursday. It'll be here on YouTube, should I say, probably on Tuesday. So there we have our quick card. And where did I just put those gems? So I'm going to take some adhesive backed solid gems and just pop a few of these around. I'll use the larger ones of these so that they're a bit more noticeable. on there, and let's see, where do I want the on there. And that is our quick card for today. So like I say, I've used these 2 punches, but I hope that that's giving you plenty of ideas for how you could use other punches. If you don't have punches, you could still just cut a simple square or rectangle around a lot of these animals. So have a little look, and please subscribe to my channel below to see a quick card like this every Monday, quick tip on a Friday, and of course I've got my online workshop this Wednesday. It's the first Wednesday of the month, so I'll be having the online workshop, and please hit the like button on the video if it's helpful to you. Thanks for stopping by.